So how to disassemble the door on a new Toyota RAV4? Let me show you. So first of all, you need to unmount this plastic panel. So we will use this trim tool. So gently put it inside, and then just slightly move it this way. Just use this trim tool to help yourself in the mounting points. Okay, here we go, see, easy. Just put it aside. Then we need to also open this plastic. Just gently push this trim tool there. Up, it's ready. Okay, and now we have to unscrew just 3 bolts. Use a screwdriver, just be careful. The first one, the tiny, the small one, and it would be 2 different okay, so we have totally 3 bolts, yeah, to have the same length, so you will not miss where the position, and this one on top, just put it aside. Now you can use any trim tool, but in our soundproofing center we use a soft peel. Just put it under the plastic, just try to find a spot. Okay, ready, and then we start pumping to have a gap. Okay, easy. So it starts mounting. It's left side, right side. Just gently, don't need to push hard. On a Toyota they use a soft clips, so to avoid any damages, just do it gently. Okay. Okay, ready? So put it back and then just slightly move it. Okay, move it up. And then you have to just still keep the door card. Then you have several cables. The white one in the top, so we will mark it right now as the top. Or you can make a photo, it's up to you. So, and then just slightly move it left, and then just move it up to disconnect, so they will be still there. Then we have several connectors, the first one and the second one, and one more here. Okay, ready. So this is how to trim the door.